And also, we have this invite for you coming from Royal Duty Free. Check the time. It's now, what time? 20:36, 8:36 p.m. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. It's time to slay and save. Unleash your inner glam with a great beauty sale. Enjoy up to 50% off on a wide range of selected beauty products, including makeup, must-haves, skincare saviors, and luxurious fragrances from January 30 to February 2, 2025. Tapos na pala. February 2. Ano na ba ngayon? February 4. Oh. Naku, hindi tayo maabot. Oh, pero anyways. Yeah, once again, the Royal Duty Free special offers. Yan, okay? Meron pa rin, ongoing pa rin yung Fresh Fridays when you purchase on the Fresh section. Okay, every Friday, nandoon yung pag ginamit mo yung iyong royalty card, double the privilege cards, okay? Double the points on your RPC, Royal Privilege Card. Okay? Pagka Friday, Fresh Fridays, okay? Ano nga ba yung mga nasa fresh section, of course? Meats, poultries, fish, vegetables, and fruits, di ba? Pag Tuesdays naman, selected items na may double points pag pinurchase mo, ha? Okay? So check it out. At both stores, it's happening. Tuesdays and Fridays, double the points on your RPC, Royal Privilege Card. And check them out on their social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and they have their official website also, www.royalsubic.com. Okay, 252-3258 for more inquiries. Okay, so time for me to give you today's holidays and observances for January, what am I saying? February 4 na, pare! Okay, February 4. Ano ba nangyayari for February 4? Ito, medyo konti lang no? February 4 is International Day of Human Fraternity, which was established by the United Nations General Assembly back in 2020 with the Resolution 75-200 as a way to promote greater cultural and religious tolerance. Ayun, there you go. International Day of Human Fraternity. Pag sinabing fraternity, hindi naman yan yung yung frat lang na laging nakikipag-away, gano'n. Hindi naman. Fraternity actually means brotherhood. Diba? Yung pagkakaibigan. And also, February 4 is World Cancer Day, an international day marked every 4th of February to raise awareness on cancer and to encourage its prevention, detection, and treatment. World Cancer Day is led by the Union for International Cancer Council or Control. Ayan, to support the goals. Ayan, goals lang pare of the World Cancer Declaration. Okay? So, World Cancer Day. February 4 for you. And do you guys also know February 4 is Facebook's birthday? Happy birthday, Facebook. Happy birthday, Mark Zuckerberg. You wanna ease a little bit on the restrictions? Baka gusto niyong lumuwag-luwag naman ng konti. Huwag masyadong sobra naman yung mga kahigpitan ninyo. Bawasan niyo naman ng konti. Grabe naman. Radio stations, pag nag-play ng music, nababan yung, nadidelete yung post radio station yun sino pa pwede mag-play ng music? Diba? Buti sana kung peke yung radio station. Hindi naman peke. Naalala ko yan, sabi nung meron tayong kakilala noon. Sabi niya, yung isang radio station yun na pinagtrabaho ko yan. Yung radio station yun, peke yan. Hindi yan legit. Yan. Nagsumbong pa sa City Council. Nagkaisa pa sila yung mga tapos yung pala, kukunin din aanib din Iba rin no? Well, speaking of legit, yun. Ayan. Facebook's birthday, February 4. For further details, kung gusto yung malaman yung mga clue na binibigay ko, PM me. PM nyo ako. Ikalat natin ang mabuting balita. Total, kinalat din nila na na bad boy daw ako salbahe raw ako di ikalat natin yung totoo. At least yung sa akin, totoo. February 4 is also Liberace Day. Kilala niyo si Liberace? Si Professor Liberace. Some say Liberace. Liberace talaga. Yun talaga yung pronunciation ng name niya. Famous classical composer. Ayan. Naalala ko noon, may ginawang movie si Joey De Leon, tsaka si Rene Requestas. Alam nyo na, Elvis and James, di ba? Si Elvis and James. Meron doon character si Panchito. Kung kilala niyo si Panchito, yung mga younger generation, baka hindi nakilala si Panchito. Isa siyang professor ng music. Ang pangalan niya is Professor Liberace. Sa movie yun ha. I'm not being bastos. Sa movie talaga yon si Professor Liberace. Tapos may kanta siya na alam niyo naman yung mga classical songs ni Liberace, di ba? Yung na 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 ganoon. Ginawa niya ng tinodas nila yung song, di ba? Sabi ni Professor Liberace, siya yung kumanta. Let's have some music. Let's have some fun. Come play my organ. I'll blow your horn. Sa music, mag-i-enjoy. Ganon. Yan, si Professor Liberace. February 4 is also Hemp Day. Ayan, hemp. The hemp. Don't panic, it's organic. Sabi nga ni Kuya Isko Moreno. February 4 is also Safer Internet Day. So, para sa mga bata to, sa mga kiddos ito, so gabayan nyo sila sa pag-i-internet. We need safer internet, okay? Para hindi sila minsan, di ba, kung ano nangyayari sa ganyan, di ba? May nauuto, may nabobola, na umanib sa kulto, parang gano'n. Sa internet, di ba? Meron pa nga, nilayasan yung pamilya dahil, so we need safer internet. Dahil sa internet yun, di ba? Thank your Mailman Day. May mailman pa ba nowadays? Ang alam ko na, ang karamihan na lang ngayon, Shopee Delivery. Shopee! Tsaka Lazada! Okay. USO Day. Sa mga younger generation, di siguro familiar masyado sa USO, di ba? Baka may sumagot pa nga sa inyo. Sir, USA. USO. Merong organization noon, nung may US military base pa dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, nung yung SBMA ngayon, Subic Bay Freeport Zone ngayon, yun noon? US military base, home of the 4th Fleet, US Navy. Yung organization na USO, they entertain the servicemen around the world. Kasi may mga military base dito sa Japan, sa Korea, sa Singapore. Maraming military base ang US di ba? So, meron silang organization na USO. Ang ginagawa ng USO na yan, sila yung nag-organize ng mga shows, events for the entertainment of the soldiers that are abroad, the military personnel. Ine-entertain nila. Yan. Kaya back then, it's a big organization. It's very vital and it's very, significant and important. Yan. United Services Organization ng USO. Yun. So, February 4 is also Wear Orange Day. In observance of prevention of teen violence. Yan, okay? So, yun. So, again, World Cancer Day, February 4. All right, so there you have it. The holidays and observances for today, February 4, 2025. Ayan, okay? Once again, ang question natin, our tonight's question, may kadate ka na ba sa Valentine's? Ay, babasahin ko yung mga sagot nyo. Excited na ako. Diyan sila, sila Ate Julie Estrella, sila Ate Mary Jane Gatdula, si Kuya Ronald Ryan Balyaway. Nakakatuwa naman nandiyan kayo. Sige. Babasahin ko yung mga sagot nyo sa tanong ha, pero tapusin ko muna to. Ayan, ang susunod naman natin is today's famous people celebrating their birthdays today. Find out who you're sharing birthdays with. February 4 birthday celebrants, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Calvin Abueva! Basketball player Calvin Abueva. He was born February 4, 1988. Isa sa mga pinakamabait at pinaka-behave and pinaka-sportsman talaga. Sports lang na sports. Si Calvin Abueva, Mga basketball fans, alam niyo ibig ko sabihin, February 4, 1988, he was born in Angeles. Uy, kabalin ni paring Alvin Quijado, Yan. Yan. Good evening din kay Kuya Ruel Sason, ha? Pasensya ka na, hindi ko na masagot yung PM mo. Ewan ko for some reasons. Kayo rin ba? Pag binubuksan nyo yung messenger sa desktop, kumu-close ang sinasabi, ano yun? Ano nga ba yun? Pastol, ikaw naman. Basta sumasara siya, tapos parang nagpapa-refresh, tapos i-enter mo na naman yung pin mo, ganon. I don't know, for some reason, something's wrong with Messenger. Naiinis na ako, ha? Kuya Ruel Sason, yeah, you can call me maya-maya, ha? Tapusin ko lang tong famous birthdays. Baka may gusto sumagot sa topic of tonight's question natin, ano? Okay? Aside from Calvin Abueva, si Kuya Res Cortez, na character actor, happy birthday din sa'yo. Also, happy birthday din kay... who else do we gotta greet? Si, Sino ba itong mga to? Hindi ko nakilala itong mga to, ah. Lipat tayo sa Hollywood celebrities. Si Rosa Parks. You guys remember Rosa Parks? Civil rights leader. Yan. She passed away in 2005. Kaya sa US ngayon din yung kanilang Rosa Parks Day. Yan. Parang female version ni Martin Luther King. Parang ganun. She stood up against, alam mo, yung separation of colors in the US noon. Yan. And popular YouTuber Zach King turns 34 today. Happy birthday to you. Who else do we gotta greet? Happy birthday din kay TV actor Edwin Riding. Yan. He is in the Netflix show Young Royals. Okay? Turns 22 today. So young. So much future pa ahead of him, huh? Yeah. Okay. Ay, ito idol ko to, si Alice Cooper. One of the iconic rock singers. Isa sa mga pinakasikat na 70s, 80s, and 90s. Yan. Alice Cooper. Yun na rin yung pangalan ng band niya, Alice Cooper. Yan. Turns 76. Alright. Alam niyo yung kanta niya na inadapt ng mga Ilocano? Take away my heart. Sometimes I'd rather be... Ano ba yun? Dead ba yun? Dead. Break a heart of stone. Ito din mga Ilocano. Okay, but don't you leave it alone. Alice Cooper yun. Tsaka yung ano pa ba yung sumikat na kanta ni Alice Cooper? Poison. Yeah, okay. Rapper Cameron turns 49 today. Happy birthday to you. All right. Also, happy birthday din kay movie actor Bug Hall. To be honest, di ko siya kilala. Okay, hanap pa tayo ng kilala natin. Ayun, si paring Natalia Imbruglia. You guys remember Natalie Imbruglia turns 49 today. Nothing's right, I'm torn. I'm a little late. This is how I feel. Ang bagal kasi ng jeep. That's why I'm a little late. Hinto ng hinto sa mga kanto. Ang yellow jeep. Yeah. Wide awake. Perfect sky is torn. Yan, si Natalie Imbruglia. Tsaka si idol ko to, ang ganda ng boses ito, si Gavin DeGraw. Ayan. I don't wanna be turns 47 today, pop singer. Siya yung kumanta nung yung I don't wanna be, yung sa theme song from the hit TV series anong title? One Tree Hill, yun. Siya po yun. Every time na mag-i-intro yung One Tree Hill, boses ni Gavin DeGraw. Ang galing, no? Ganda ng boses, no? Yan. Okay. Tsaka lastly, si Dallas Lovato. Ayan. The older sister of actor and singer Demi Lovato. Ayan. She turned actress. Turns 37 today. Alright? So there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. February 4 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. You text me up. Okay, 0910-6909-501. Yan, yung mga gustong magpa-greet. Hindi tayo nang babati, greet lang. Pero ito si Kuya John. John de Guzman Haring. Ayan, babatiin natin to. Babatiin natin hanggang sa maligayahan. Happy birthday pare. Si John de Guzman Haring. Yan. We both used to work for a store here in the Subic Bay Freeport dati, kung saan lahat ng staff, lahat ng nagtatrabaho doon ay pogi at magaganda. So yeah, it's called the PX Club. Ayan. Kaya tawag sa amin noon mga Batang PX. Yan. Hanggang ngayon, Batang PX pa rin to na nasa US of A. Yan. Tapos pag umuwi minsan hindi naman nagpaparamdam sa akin. Bati ako ng bati, naliligayahan sa pambabati ko. Pero ni minsan hindi ako pinasalubungan. Joke lang pare, joke lang. Oo. Pero baka may plan ka umuwi. Pwede naman. Tsaka si Sir Jonathan Gatchalian. Pare ko, kamusta na? I hope you're doing fine. Happy birthday, Sir Jonathan Gatchalian of SM. We got it all for you. Alam niyo, pag nag-i-stand-up comedy ako sa na-recognize nila eh. Sabi nila, ay, siya yun, yung pagdaring nila yung boses. It's the SM 3-day sale. Up to 70% off on great finds. So, alam niyo. Kasi naalala ko lang, taga-SM si Sir Jonathan Gatchalian na nagbe-birthday. Yan, okay? Tapos, minsan, yung pagiging voice talent ko, nadadala ko kung saan-saan eh. Nagagamit ko eh. Nasa palengke ako minsan, Ale, magkanong itlog mo? Up to 70% off, pwede. Tapos pag galit si Mahal, minsan inumaga ako ng uwi. Mahal, buksan mo ang pinto. Hindi na ako uulit. Promise. Ayun, nagagamit ko doon kung saan-saan. Tsaka si syempre, ang special na naninang namin. Ayan, si Ninang Mila Ginto. Ayan, ang birthday niya talaga kahapon. She celebrated her 79th birthday. So, dumaan kami ni Little Tommy bago ako nag-stand-up comedy. So, happy birthday sa'yo Ninang Mila Ginto. 79th birthday, pero in fairness, pag tinignan mo, mukha lang 78. May handa pa ba? Daan ako dyan, Ninang Mila, happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan. Okay, so there you have it. Yung mga kaibigan natin nag-birthday. Siyempre, dinamay na natin sa greetings. So, tsaka